Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block all ads on iPhone. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down, and here you can just simply go to the option privacy and security. Tap on it, and now you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find the option that is Apple advertising. Tap on it and make sure that you turn this off. After turning this off, you can just simply go back, and now tap on screen time. You can just simply scroll down here. Now tap on content and privacy restrictions, and now you can just simply scroll down, and in the privacy section you will find the option Apple advertising. Tap on it and you will select the option don't allow, and this is the way you can block all ads on iPhone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.